all-new HR-V delivers a unique and responsive driving experience with exceptional efficiency delivered by Honda's powerful and efficient two-motor eHEV powertrain featured as standard for the first time on a HR-V. The next generation of the brand's popular compact SUV offers class-leading space, comfort and utility, as well as advanced safety and technology features, all within a bold and sleek coupe-inspired form. Available in Europe from late 2021, the new HR-V is the latest model in Honda's lineup to wear the eHEV hybrid electric vehicle badge, following the refreshed CR-V and all-new Jazz that launched in 2020. It expands Honda's electrified lineup as the brand moves further towards its goal of electrifying all of its European mainstream models by 2022. The next generation hybrid-only HR-V is the culmination of an extensive review of modern consumer attitudes. Having evaluated how today's active, connected population identifies and selects high-value products, Honda developed the HR-V not only as all-new compact SUV, but as a consumer product that must appeal through desirability, functionality and usability. The all-new HR-V has a contemporary coupe SUV body that appeals through the simplicity of its design, while its exceptionally spacious and versatile interior is more user-oriented and comfortable to sit in. This compelling combination owes much to Honda's compact integrated powertrain technology and the center fuel tank layout. The result is class-leading interior space as well as unrivaled flexibility thanks to the versatile Magic seats that offer fold-flat or flip-up options depending on the cargo space required. As with the exterior, the spacious interior has solid premium SUV feel, but with contemporary fabrics and soft touch materials. The modern minimalistic aesthetic is created by the horizontal sweep of the instrument panel and uncluttered lines and surfaces throughout. The feeling of airiness and space is elevated by a new air diffusion system that creates a curtain of fresh air beside and above passengers, flowing from unique L-shaped vents positioned in the top corners of the dashboard. Intuitive and seamless in-car connectivity features and apps which introduce a new level of technology to Honda's compact segment SUV can be accessed via touchscreen or via voice activation. Featuring the most comprehensive suite of advanced safety features and driver aids in its class, the Honda HR-V is fitted with active and passive Honda safety technologies designed to make driving both easier and safer. The eHEV powertrain consists of two compact, powerful electric motors that work alongside an Atkinson Cycle 1.5-litre DOHC iVTEC petrol engine, a lithium-ion battery, and an innovative fixed-gear transmission coupled to a power control unit. The system benefits from advancements made over 20 years of hybrid development in Honda road cars and in Formula One. For its installation in the HR-V, the eHEV's power is boosted from 109 PS as found in the Jazz to a total power output of 96 kW, 131 PS and 253 Newton meters of torque. What sets the eHEV system apart is how its three drive modes seamlessly interchange to ensure optimum performance of each component in both urban and motorway driving. The intelligent electronic control unit automatically and constantly cycles between electric drive, hybrid drive or engine drive, depending on which is the most fuel-efficient drive mode at that specific driving situation.